That $12 mimosa you're sipping? It should have been free. That towel rental fee on your account? A rookie mistake. That late-night kids club charge? Completely avoidable. Cruise lines count on you not knowing what's already included. In fact, a Royal Caribbean survey found that 4 out of 5 new cruisers fall for these phantom fees. Today, we make sure you're the one who knows better. Let's get into it. Tucked away in the gym's changing room, there's often a sauna or steam room, completely free to use. While the fancy thermal suites with heated loungers cost extra, this basic heat-up is on the house. It's the perfect way to unwind after a port day, without a single cent added to your bill. Just walk in like you own the place, grab a towel and relax. That late-night craving for a slice of pepperoni or a swirl of chocolate vanilla soft serve? It's not a mirage. Most big ships, especially on lines like Carnival and Royal Caribbean, have a 24-hour pizza spot and self-serve ice cream machines near the pools or in the buffet area. While others are paying for premium gelato, you're getting your fix for free anytime you want. Those giant, colorful water slides, rock climbing walls, and mini golf courses aren't just for decoration. On lines like Royal Caribbean and Norwegian, these signature activities are almost always included in your fare. People see the long lines and assume there's a per-ride fee, but honestly, it's all-you-can-handle fun. The only thing it costs you is time in the sun. The daily planner is packed with activities, like trivia, karaoke, and love and marriage-style game shows. These aren't just filler. They're free, fun, and sometimes even come with prizes. You can win everything from a bottle of champagne to a t-shirt, just for knowing obscure 80s song lyrics. Show up, participate, and you might walk away with more than just a good memory. The moment your feet hit Coco Cay or Great Stirrup Cay, you'll smell burgers on the grill, then see a price board in your head that isn't actually there. That line snaking toward the barbecue? It's free, tasty, and usually has the shortest wait because everyone thinks it's cash only. Grab a plate. Add the pineapple salsa. The only things you'll pay for are the cabanas and the souvenir cups shaped like parrots. Pool towels are like library books. Borrow, return, don't overthink it. Flash your room card, get 2, and you're golden. The only time you'll see a $25 charge is if one mysteriously follows you home. Quick trick, snap a photo when you hand the stack back. A blurry photo of the towel return is better than a surprise on the bill. Head to the buffet. Grab orange juice in one hand, cranberry in the other, then top both with the open bottle of sparkling wine that's right next to them. Voila! Instant bottomless mimosas at zero cost. Carnival, MSC, and most Norwegian ships let you play bartender without the $12 price tag. Just don't get too fancy with the garnish. That lone strawberry is probably for the oatmeal bar. Royal Caribbean and Celebrity still offer a free continental breakfast delivered by a smiling steward. Disney takes it further. Order Mickey-shaped ice cream at midnight if you want. Princess and Holland America will even slide a free grilled cheese through the door at 2 a.m. The trick is to ignore the premium pizza banner on the app and scroll to the $0 continental section. Tap nap, open door. After 10, the youth clubs become a late-night party zone. On Disney, Royal, Norwegian, and MSC, they still won't charge you until you're late for pickup. So you can drop the kiddos, grab a quiet drink, or reclaim the top deck hot tub. The app's hourly fee only kicks in if you forget to pick them up before the posted cutoff. Just set a phone alarm and, honestly, you're parenting like a pro. Yes, the gym is free, but so are most sunrise yoga and stretching sessions. No asterisk, no upcharge. Holland America and Princess occasionally bring in guest instructors who still don't bill you. Well, unless it's a boot camp with branded resistance bands. So, pack the sneakers, show up early, and claim your mat. You'll leave feeling virtuous and, let's be real, slightly smug. Frozen, Mamma Mia, 6, they're all included. The app might claim they're sold out, but every theater keeps a standby line. Just stroll up 20 minutes early and slide into the queue. You'll almost always snag a seat. It's actually possible to watch shows like Aladdin multiple times this way without paying a cent beyond your ticket price. Walk into the atrium, nod politely at the Picasso prints, grab a glass of complimentary bubbly, and stroll right back out. No ticket, no wristband, no guilt. The staff won't stop you. The champagne is part of the lure. Think of it as happy hour with free decor. Open your cabin fridge and you'll see a price list for soda and candy. Ignore it. The metal carafe of ice water? Free. The 2 bottles of still water on the desk? Free. The tiny carton of creamer? Also free. Empty them into your reusable bottle and laugh your way past the $6 Evian vending machine by the elevators.
A cruise drink package seems simple enough. But the truth is, most people don't use them the right way. And a few easy-to-miss choices can turn a good deal into a costly mistake. It's not just about what you drink. It's when, how, and what you didn't realize you agreed to. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain. Because the real problems? They don't show up until it's too late. If you're thinking about getting a drink package, or already have one, there are things you'll want to know before that first sip. A cruise drink package can seem like a last-minute add-on, but buying it late? That's one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Cruise lines almost always offer lower prices before you sail, and once you're on board, that same package can cost up to 20% more. That's money you could have spent on an excursion, or another cruise entirely. Even worse, drink package prices have quietly crept up year after year. So locking in early means you're protected from sudden price hikes. The good news? If you buy early and the price drops later, most cruise lines will let you cancel and rebook at the lower rate. It takes just a few clicks on the cruise planner site. Simple, easy savings. No calls, no hassle. So before you even pack your bags, check your online reservation. Lock in that lower rate and toast to making smarter choices at sea. Because overpaying for the same drinks? That's a rookie move. And you're smarter than that. You paid for the drink package. So why are you getting the cheap stuff? Here's the truth most cruisers don't realize. Bartenders won't automatically pour you premium liquor, even if your package includes it. Unless you specifically ask, you'll often get the default house brand. And that house brand, let's just say it's not exactly top shelf. If you've upgraded to a premium package, this is especially important. You're entitled to better quality spirits, but only if you name them. So when you order, say it clearly. I'll take a Grey Goose tonic, not just vodka tonic. Don't be shy, you've already paid for it. And if you're not sure what's included, check your cruise line's website. Screenshot the list of brands or keep it on your phone. That way, you'll always know what you can order and what you're missing. You're not being difficult. You're just getting what you paid for. Most people hear drink package and think cocktails, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Cruise drink packages often include way more than alcohol. We're talking bottled water, fresh squeezed juice, iced coffee, energy drinks, even frozen frappes. And trust me, those frozen coffees hit differently after a long, sweaty shore excursion. You might not drink 10 beers a day, but if you're sipping lattes in the morning and vitamin water in the afternoon, you're getting serious value. So don't overlook the extras. They add up fast. Energy drinks at the gym, sparkling water by the pool, mocktails during a show. It's all included, if you remember to use it. And here's a pro tip. Always bring a couple bottles or cans of water back to your cabin. You'll thank yourself when you wake up parched at 2 a.m. Don't waste your drink package on just booze. Cruise smarter than that. Your drink package doesn't end at the bar, but you'd be surprised how many cruisers forget to use it in their cabin. Picture this. It's late, you're tired, and suddenly you're parched. You reach into the mini fridge, and the only water in there? That tiny $5 Evian bottle that's not part of your package. Ouch! Don't make that mistake. Here's what smart cruisers do. They stop by a bar on the way back to the cabin and grab 2 or 3 waters. Every single time. Ask your cabin steward to empty the mini fridge on day 1. Then slowly fill it with your own stash. Water bottles, canned sodas, even juices. You'll be set for late night sips or early morning shore excursions. And no surprises on your final bill. This one's simple. If it's included, use it. Your future self and your wallet will thank you. Here's the truth. Not every itinerary needs a drink package. I know, it feels wrong to even say that. But think about it. If you're in port 5 days out of 7, how many drinks are you really having on board? long Mediterranean cruises, Alaska with early mornings, or those packed with all-day excursions. You might be too busy, too tired, or too off the ship to use that package. Instead of feeling pressured to drink your money's worth, ask yourself this: would paying per drink actually cost less? Or could you bring your own wine on board and save the rest for excursions? Some seasoned cruisers treat drink packages like a buffet, only worth it if you use it. And on some sailings you simply won't. So don't assume you have to buy it every time. Do the math, pick your battles, and save that drink package for the cruises where it'll actually pay off. Some cruise lines love using words like free at sea or all included. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Not all drink packages are created equal. On Norwegian, for example, their free at sea perk includes alcoholic drinks, but not specialty coffees. So that morning cappuccino you're craving? It's coming out of pocket. Celebrity's basic package might cover the basics, but if you want premium wine or that nice scotch, you'll need an upgrade. Princess has Princess Plus, which includes more, but even then, read the fine print. Bottom line, don't assume included means everything. Smart cruisers check what's covered before stepping on board, because nothing ruins a relaxing cruise faster than surprise charges, especially for your daily double espresso or post-dinner cocktail. So you paid for unlimited drinks, right? Well, not exactly. Most cruise lines, believe it or not, quietly cap alcoholic beverages at around 15 per day. Yeah, 15, which honestly sounds like a lot, until you realize that poolside margarita, pre-dinner wine, and those late-night cocktails really add up faster than you'd think. And here's another surprise. Some lines also limit the price of each drink. Say your package covers drinks up to $12, but you order that fancy $15 whiskey, you'll be charged the difference. Suddenly, that included drink becomes a sneaky upcharge. So, to avoid surprises, always ask the bartender what's included before you order. Or even better, look up your cruise line's drink policy in advance. Just a few minutes of homework can save you a lot of nickel and diming. Because honestly, nothing kills the vacation vibe like unexpected bar bills. Let's be honest. After a long day in port, you're hot, tired, and probably dehydrated. And nothing's worse than coming back to your cabin and realizing there's no water in sight. Sure, you can drink the tap, but let's face it, it's not always what you want at midnight. Most cruisers forget. Your drink package usually includes bottled water or cans. So go ahead and grab them throughout the day. Ask the bar staff for 2 to-go bottles and bring them back to your cabin. Even better, have your cabin steward clear out the mini fridge and make it your own personal hydration station. Use those bottles for shore excursions, late-night thirst, or even for brushing your teeth if you're a bit picky. Just don't, and I really mean don't, grab the fancy minibar Evian unless you're ready to pay $5 a bottle. Smart cruisers hydrate smarter, not harder. And they never let a dry mouth ruin their vacation.
13 expenses, 13 easy saves. Screenshot this list, pack smarter. And spend the money you just rescued on that one bucket list excursion. Got a sneaky freebie of your own? Drop it below. The comment section turns into a treasure chest of tips every week. See you on the gangway.